Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while you're stuck in the rat race? You see, the rat race is a frustrating, self-defeating and unending pursuit. It's a cycle where we are constantly chasing after more, only to find ourselves right back where we started. But what if I told you there's a way out? In the realm of personal finance, the rat race symbolizes living paycheck to paycheck, never making progress towards true financial freedom. It's a game you can't win by simply working harder or longer. Well, it's time we flipped the script. The path to financial independence isn't a secret reserved for the privileged few. It's about understanding the rules of the game and playing it smart. Imagine a life where your financial worries are a thing of the past. A life where you dictate the terms, not your bills or your boss. Sounds enticing, right? It's time to break free and create your own path to financial independence. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's your ticket to freedom. Picture your journey to financial independence as a road trip. Without a map or a GPS, you're likely to get lost, right? That's where financial education comes into play. It's your roadmap, guiding you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Firstly, understand personal finance. It's about managing your income, savings, and expenses effectively. It's the foundation of your financial journey. Next, there's budgeting. It's your financial compass, helping you to allocate resources wisely. And it's crucial for maintaining control over your financial life. Then we have investing. This is your vehicle that drives you to your destination faster. It's about making your money work for you. Lastly, financial planning is your long-term strategy. It's about setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Invest in your financial education to make informed and smart money decisions. What if the key to wealth wasn't in acquiring more, but in wanting less? Minimalism is a lifestyle that champions the less is more philosophy. It's not about denying yourself pleasures or living in austerity, but rather about eliminating excess and focusing on what truly enriches your life. Imagine a life uncluttered by needless possessions, free from the relentless pursuit of acquiring stuff. This is the essence of minimalism. It helps reduce expenses, yes, but more importantly, it provides clarity, freeing up time and resources for the things that really matter. It's about simplifying your surroundings, your thoughts, your time commitments. By doing so, you make space for meaningful interactions, personal growth, and the freedom to pursue the endeavors that ignite your passion. So the next time you're tempted to buy something you don't really need, remember, minimalism isn't about sacrifice, it's about discernment, it's about making deliberate choices. Minimalism isn't about having less, it's about making room for more of what matters. Why work for money when your money can work for you? This intriguing question brings us to the concept of passive income. Now, what is passive income? Simply put, it's income that you earn without actively working for it. It's like having employees you don't have to manage, but who keep bringing in the cash. Let's dive into some examples. Real estate is a classic source of passive income. Buy a property, rent it out, and voila, you've got a steady stream of income. Or consider investments such as stocks or bonds. Once you've made the initial investment, you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. And let's not forget about online businesses. From blogs to e-commerce stores, the digital world offers countless opportunities to generate income without the 9-to-5 grind. The beauty of passive income is that it allows your wealth to grow even when you're not actively managing it. Create income streams that require minimal effort and see your wealth grow even while you sleep. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Are your expenses controlling your life? Let's be real. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of spending, but if you want to escape the rat race, it's essential to keep a tight rein on your expenses. Reducing unnecessary expenditure isn't about penny pinching. It's about distinguishing between needs and wants and choosing wisely. Think about it. That daily gourmet coffee or the latest tech gadget may seem harmless, but over time, these costs add up. Instead, consider brewing your own coffee or waiting a little longer before upgrading to the latest smartphone. These are just small examples, but they make a big difference. Budgeting is another crucial aspect. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll gain a clear picture of your financial health. This awareness enables you to make informed decisions, avoid impulsive purchases, and live within your means. So remember, it's not about making huge sacrifices. It's about making smarter choices. Take control of your expenses and start living a life free of financial stress. Is debt holding you back from achieving financial freedom? Imagine a weighty anchor preventing your ship from sailing towards the horizon of financial independence. That's what debt is. It's a burden that holds you back, consumes your income, and hinders your financial growth. But how can we eliminate this obstacle? Firstly, understand what you owe. List out your debts, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages. Acknowledge them. This is your starting point. Secondly, create a budget. A well-structured budget is your roadmap to debt freedom. It helps you allocate funds towards debt repayment without sacrificing necessities. Thirdly, prioritize your debts. Some prefer the snowball method, paying off smaller debts first for quick wins. Others prefer the avalanche method, targeting high-interest debts first to minimize overall interest payments. Choose the strategy that motivates you the most. Finally, stay committed. It's a journey, not a sprint. Free yourself from the chains of debt and take a step closer to financial independence. Could your passion be your ticket out of the rat race? Imagine turning what you love doing into a profitable venture. Starting a side business is not just about earning extra cash. It's about creating a safety net, a fallback when times get tough. It all begins with that spark of an idea, a hobby you're passionate about, or a skill you've mastered. From there, it's about nurturing that idea, putting in the time, effort, and resources to grow it into something more. It's about taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. A side business can be your gateway to financial freedom. It provides an additional income stream, yes, but it also offers the potential for growth, for autonomy, for making your own financial decisions. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step. Turn your passions into profits and create your own path to financial success. Are you maximizing your earning potential? In this era of rapid technological change, having a diverse set of abilities is more than just an asset. It's a necessity. Gone are the days when you could simply rely on one skill for your entire career. Today, the most successful individuals are those who can adapt, learn, and grow. Imagine being a Swiss Army knife in the job market. You're not just a programmer or a writer or a marketer, you're all of that and more. This not only increases your income potential, but also provides a sense of job security. But how do you develop these multiple skills? Start by identifying areas that interest you. Then, dedicate time each day to learning and practicing. Use online resources, take courses, read books, or find a mentor. Remember, every new skill is an investment in yourself. Invest in yourself, diversify your skills, and maximize your earning potential. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? An intriguing question, isn't it? It's all about goal setting. As the saying goes, a dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Goals give us direction. They provide a targeted point to aim at on our financial journey. But setting the goal is merely the beginning. The next step is creating a financial plan. This plan is your roadmap. It outlines the steps you need to take to reach your goal. Whether it's saving a certain amount each month, investing wisely, or perhaps starting a side business, your plan should be tailored to your unique situation and aspirations. But remember, a plan is not a set and forget tool. It requires monitoring and adjustments as your circumstances evolve. It's like navigating a ship. You constantly adjust the course to reach your destination. So dare to dream. Set your financial goals, make a plan, and watch your dreams become reality. Is your health worth more than wealth? Let's reflect on this. In the pursuit of financial freedom, we sometimes overlook the value of our health. However, maintaining good health is a crucial aspect of escaping the rat race. Consider this. Good health reduces medical expenses, which can be a significant drain on your resources. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and regular checkups can save you from hefty medical bills down the line. More than this, a healthy body fosters a healthy mind. Increased productivity and energy levels are just a few benefits of good health. When you're healthy, you're better equipped to handle stress, make sound decisions, and work towards your financial goals with vigor and determination. So, let's not forget to invest in our health as we do in our finances. After all, health is the foundation upon which we build our wealth. Invest in your health, for it is the real wealth. Are you ready to grow beyond your current circumstances? The power to do so lies within you, in nurturing a growth mindset. This is the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's about more than just being smart or talented. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and understanding that effort is the path to mastery. Having a growth mindset means seeing every stumble, every misstep, as a stepping stone towards success. It means viewing your potential as limitless rather than fixed. It's about understanding that you are not defined by your failures, but rather defined by how you rise after falling. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of the growth mindset. Every day is a school day, and every experience a lesson. Embrace the unknown, seek out new knowledge, and never stop asking questions. Embodying a growth mindset is not just about personal achievement, but about becoming a lifelong learner, a relentless improver, and a relentless seeker of excellence. Adopt a growth mindset and see every challenge as an opportunity for growth. What if the key to wealth was in giving? An intriguing thought, isn't it? But it's more than just a thought. It's a powerful principle of personal finance. The act of giving back, whether it's through time, resources, or knowledge, has an unexpected way of enriching our own lives. By giving back, we cultivate gratitude, a virtue that shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance we have. It reshapes our perspective, making us realize that wealth isn't just about accumulating, but also about distributing. Moreover, giving back can have a profound impact on our financial journey. It's a cycle. The more we give, the more we grow, and the more we grow, the more we have to give. It's a cycle that builds character, fosters empathy, and ultimately leads to wealth. Not just materially, but in ways that truly matter. So let's make a change. Give back to the world and experience the joy of giving. Are you ready to escape the rat race? This question alone has the power to set you on a new path. The journey towards financial independence requires action. Start small, take one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be miles away from where you started. And let's not forget about giving back. The true value of financial freedom is the ability to make a positive impact on the world around us. Start your journey today, escape the rat race, and embrace financial freedom.